Hi everyone, this is Md Nahider Rahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use company annual revenue filter using Apollo.io. So before going to main tutorial, I am requesting you, if you new to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need any help to collect Apollo.io lead generation, Apollo lead escaping service, you can contact with me. I will help you. My all contact information you will find video description and my YouTube channel. So friends, let's start the main tutorial. So this is our client requirement. You see, my client requirements is most important. Make sure you're only searching for verified emails. The client needs only valid email, and the job title is CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Founder, Owner, CMO, Head of Marketing. And the another requirements is employee count is like company employee size is 11 to 100, and there another requirements is location. Okay, its location United States and Canada. And other requirements is industry is information technology service. And today our main topics is company annual revenue filtering. And you see, my client requirements is annual revenue 1 million to 10 million. So let's start the searching. So my client job title CEO, and second founder, and third owner, and CMO, and head of marketing, and head of marketing. So complete the job title, and now I am selecting the location. It's United States and Canada, and this is company person location, and I am selecting company headquarter location. Is I'm selecting same location, then I can get targeted leads. United States and Canada. Okay, so you see the person location and company location. Okay, and my client requirements company 11 to 100, so I am select this one, but I am not selecting this because I am select the custom range. Okay, so 11 minimum 11 and maximum 100. So now see my total result is 501k. Okay, so now my client's another requirements is industry. So this industry is information technology services. Okay, so I'm select this, and now my clients need verified email only, that's why I'm select this likely to engage and verified. Okay, so now today our main point is revenue. Okay, revenue is Apollo free account is locked because it's not available. The free account is available only paid account. Okay, so if you have free account, then you cannot filter this revenue. Okay, this is my paid account, that's why I am filtering the revenue easily. Okay, so now my client requirements is 1 million to 10 million per year, so that's why I'm selecting 1 million minimum and maximum is 10 million. Okay, so now this is not public. So now you see the annual revenue is minimum 1 million and maximum 10 million. So now our result is 11,000 leads. Okay, 11,000 leads. Okay, so today our video is company how to create company annual revenue filter. So I hope you can understand easily. So if you need company annual revenue service, if you have not paid account, then you can contact with me. I will filter your targeted annual revenue. So thank you for watching this video. No more today. Bye bye.